Hello everybody, today we're gonna unbox two large boxes. So I have Victor Trackmaster on the side of the boxes to compare, so you can have an idea how large these boxes are. Those boxes have a lot of trains. Wow, this box has a lot. Okay, we have Annie and Clara from Mattel. We found the green breakdown train. We have Caitlin's and Connor cars, a box car. Oh, look at this, Mighty Mac, not motorized. No motorized cart. Another so there's two cars. I think this part of salty. A hopper car. We have giggling troublesome truck, snow covered box car. Another yellow box car. Okay, Gordon Stender, James Stender, Connor's passenger coach. We found I forgot, Stephen Tender. This belongs to Castle Quest cart. Okay, we have this other card. We found Henry Stender. What's this? Flower? I don't know. Toby's clown car. Oh, nothing inside. There should be a little card inside from the clown's car. Anyways, we got a little hopper car. Or is that the right term? I don't know if you call it that. So we got the red caboose. Let's see, these don't belong to Trackmaster. We have another troublesome truck, snow covered troublesome truck, so that's good. Okay, we got another troublesome truck, and we have black tanker. Okay, here is the Caitlin's passenger coach. We got Emily, one more cargo, another Gordon's snow covered tender. Oh look, wobbly troublesome truck. See the wheels wobble. It's nice, hard to find. These don't belong to this, but I'm gonna leave it there. Ooh, look at this. We found a inside mail car. Oh, look at this. I found another one. Wow, nice find. I'm gonna keep those, maybe. Red car. I think this is for Trackmaster. Forgot the name. Anyways, it's a hose car. Okay, another card. This is not Trackmaster. I have another, I don't remember which set this belongs to, but it's for the new Trackmasters. Okay, I have a boxcar with some smoke, I think. And this is not Trackmaster. I think it's for the toddlers. Okay, we found two more wagons, carts. Oh, look. Cattle car, sliding door, cattle cars, sliding doors. Okay. I found this cart with paint, cargo. Another James tender. Look, a brown brake pan. It's nice. They look clean, decent shape. Okay, more. I think this balloon car belongs to the set Percy Up and Away. Another wagon. This is a water tanker from, I think, Trackmaster too. Okay. Another set of Annie Gravel. These are Tommy. You see the difference on the faces? This is Tommy and this is Mateo. What do you think? They look good. They are not bad, but they are okay. Oh, look this Winston. This is wooden railway. It's nice. I'm gonna keep it. I never had this. Because I only buy Trackmasters, but I'm gonna keep it. Another car for Flynn. I just recall the name Flynn. Okay. Another wagon. I think this is for the snow-covered Spencer. If I'm not mistaken, it goes on top of Spencer Trackmaster 2. And maybe this one belongs to the set. Maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, this is not Trackmaster. Another mailbox for Trackmaster 2, and I don't know what set this belonged to, but I'll keep it. I found a wooden Southern Shipping Company. I think this is a magnetic box for wooden trains, and we have a black flatbed cart, another small hopper car, and look, Mr. Wobbles briefing. Okay, Mr. Wobbles clown box car. Another wagon. I'm gonna turn these wagons into custom travel semi-trucks. You know, I have sold a lot, but I may make some. This car belongs to, if I'm not mistaken, to Stephen the Rocket. Look, I found Heroes Tender. This is Mattel. Okay, we found this cargo. I think it's for 2000 for Trackmaster 2. I found this Eels tanker. This is part of Southeast Fish Delivery, and it should be with this set right here. Okay, nice. This is for Flynn, the back car, more cargo for Trackmaster 1, and this Misty Island lumber belongs to Trackmaster 2. And finally I found Hank, not Tinder, just Hank, plain and simple. And another wooden Topan hat scar. Does this move, jump up? Oh, nice. What do you guys think? Do you like it, the unboxing today? I'm gonna open the other box in the other video. This is too long. Alright, let's see the other video. Bye.